One of the most common questions homeowners ask is this: what if we price it a little higher and see what happens? It sounds logical. If the market doesn't respond, you can always reduce the price later. But in reality, overpricing is one of the most expensive mistakes a seller can make. And the reason is not emotional, it is mathematical. The first 14 to 21 days on market are the most critical. This is when your listing receives peak exposure. If your home is priced correctly, it attracts strong early interest. If it is overpriced, buyers do not consider it later. They eliminate it immediately. When a property is overpriced and later reduced, it often sells for less than it would have if it had been priced correctly from the beginning. Because the initial excitement window has passed. Buyers sense leverage. They negotiate harder. Strategic pricing means positioning your property inside the strongest buyer search brackets. When priced correctly, you create competition. Competition creates leverage. Leverage protects equity. The goal is not to test the market. The goal is to understand it. Because in real estate, precision protects value.